There's a couple little dings in the hood. I think I'm just gonna leave. I put enough clear on it, it'll hide it all. We did a final block on this the other day, and there's a couple little squiggles on it that I wanted to fix here. So right in here, there's just a couple little wiggle marks through here where it was a little low in spots. So we come back and filled this. You can see everything else is blocked out, ready to go. I figure, you know, while we're at it, we'll just fix it so you can't see it, especially on the door. And we had two dings up here. So we got that filled in. Everything else is just about ready for the final sealer. So we'll come back tomorrow, bodywork that, bodywork those two dings on the hood. Everything else is about ready here. The side's all blocked out, ready to go. We'll pull the handles off of it and get it in sealer, and once it's in sealer, we will let it dry, block it. I'm gonna have to tape up these things too. Things there. We'll get them taped up. Anyway, once it's in sealer, we'll wet sand it, do a final tape on it, and we will get ready to shoot. Like I said, we're trying to get all the prep work done, so this weekend we can shoot it. Saturday there is a car show at the church. So Old Bethel Baptist Church, we have our annual car show in October of a year. So that'll be Saturday for a handful of hours. But we should still be able to get this at least in base this weekend. Again, it's going to be two-tone. Silver here. Blue. Hood will be blue. So silver down the middle. Blue up here, blue down at the bottom. I'm gonna do a silver pinstripe as well, just on the other side of the blue. Yeah, I don't know if I showed you guys the wheels on here, but the silver, these things are dirty, but they're good looking wheels. The silver is about that color of that wheel right there, so should look pretty good. Anyway, all right, well, this thing is finally in sealer, so we are just a wet sand away from getting some color on this thing. So it's been a long haul, but it turned out pretty darn good. I'll show you what we were looking. So back this off a little bit. So she is all in sealer, and it is going to just be an absolute beauty. Straight, the lines are good, everything laid out nice. Like, I know square bodies are crooked, but this one ain't gonna be. She just looks beautiful. It's really laid out good. Still flashing off a little bit. I just finished it up. So remember, I put cab corners and rockers in this thing. Oh, we got a little thin spot right there I missed. Now, well, life goes on. It'll cover. But anyway, she's just a wet sand away from color. And it really turned out good. Really turned out good. Getting exciting. Getting ready to shoot some color on this thing in about 2 months.